Hi everyone, this is D&V Mobile Auto Repair Inc. Today we're in Abbotsford performing a pre-purchase inspection on this 2015 Honda Odyssey at a dealership. Our client wanted to make sure everything looks good before moving forward with the purchase, and that's exactly what we're here for. We started under the hood, checking fluid levels, battery condition, belts, hoses, and looking for any visible leaks. Next, we inspected the exterior, checking the paint, body panels, alignment, scratches, dents, and signs of previous repairs. After that, we lifted the vehicle to inspect underneath. We checked the chassis for rust or corrosion, inspected suspension components, looked for leaks around the oil pan and transmission area, and checked brake pads, rotors, and tire condition on all four wheels. A proper pre-purchase inspection helps you avoid unexpected repair costs and gives you confidence before buying. If you're purchasing a used vehicle, we come directly to the dealership or seller's location. Bye for now from D&V Mobile Auto Repair Inc. We'll see you on the next inspection.